Hi all, lately Bitcoin and Ethereum dropped. Bitcoin's decline is worse than Ether's. Why is Bitcoin famous and not positive? When can we regain past glory? Three coins take off together. Audi rest Solana keeps rising. Noisy heart, no noise. What plain text is worth buying for us? L2 sector continuously warming up. In addition to OPRB, today's film will also recommend a few for you. Tokens with more potential for upward movement in L2 sector. Don't miss it. Hello all, welcome to my channel if interested in above info. Don't miss this episode of What About before the video. For Bybit's IDO known to all. IDO is an activity to give money. Previous Bybit IDO all are scattered like throwing out banknotes. Entry threshold for it just $300 on Ethereum chain. Remember to guess a little shorter. After money sent, what occurs? Min is 500 to 1000 U of IDO tokens gifted. Don't miss it. Remember, no KYC needed. When urgency is unstoppable, it won't come again. Let's discuss Bitcoin market. Analyze Bitcoin market. Bitcoin perpetual contract pair on OKX exchange. Take a look at the situation. Since BTC dropped from $49,000, you can view the trading sources of long and short positions below. Not particularly strong, especially this wave of bear attacks, directly knocked down multiple parties. I think Bitcoin will keep oscillating at a low level. The highest won't surpass the previous high, and the position of walking above, additionally in the vicinity of approximately $50,800. So why is this the resistance zone? The previous film mentioned because it is a weekly level. So this is a very strong resistance level left by Bitcoin history. So everyone needs to pay attention. That and this point, if it happens again, you can opt to go short. Why has Bitcoin been declining in the recent period? No strong rebound as in the front. If analyzed technically, the trend is breaking down, not meeting expectations. Support level ahead. The trend has reversed. In other words, it is a bearish or oscillating pattern next. What about the other aspect? Is it due to the market or the news? What about GPTC? It has gradually transformed into ETFs. The ETF's turnover rate will be high. Where are GPTC buyers at the bottom in the early stage? Where is the speculator? It is possible to choose to sell their own Bitcoins. So this is also one of the important reasons for the recent decline. Based on spot level, seems to be exchange's long-short ratio, visible long-short ratio on this exchange. Basically a neutral attitude. This also leads to Bitcoin in the futures market, one of the reasons for the sideways movement below. In conclusion, I think it's tough for Bitcoin to exceed its previous high in the short term. Its weekly line has a strong growth rate. Everyone must pay attention. Instead of focusing on Bitcoin, let's examine Ethereum. After all, the recent rise is significant. All are L2 blocks, right? Although Ethereum is also influenced by Bitcoin, there is also a decline. But overall, in terms of impact and volume, relatively less affected. So I think you don't need to worry about Ethereum. After all, Cancun's upgrade is in the season. The current daily level of Ethereum in harvest a cross star. The cross star is a turning point signal. Then it appears here. Very likely to be a morning star. It could signal a turning point, so all must pay attention. Next daily level and former 4-hour level Ethereum start from position of engine below daily level. Can see, and what about this position? Multiple daily levels of Ether in the front, unbreakable position. Approx. $2,400 trend reversal, same as what Bitcoin just said. Trend reversal. The pressure of support in the future will change. That is to say, this position may have become a primary support below Ether. Approx. $2,400. Check 4HR level. What occurred ahead? Support pressure ahead. What's ahead? Ether failed to break through around $2,400, a relatively strong support level obtained below approximately $2,200. You can see below zero walking position is around $2,000. Anyway, prices at these few positions. Everyone can consider buying some more Ether. The most Ethereum, the overall L2 sector is relatively strong. Why has Ethereum been slow? Reason is being drained by Solana about Solana's wealth password. Video shows it all. Let's discuss plain text. And here, suggest 2 activities for everyone. One is the IDO of breaking coins. Deposit $300. You can get a token reward worth $1,000. Hurry up and take part. No requirement for KYC. Specifically, I placed it beneath the video and it has been pinned. Now let's discuss the plain text aspect. It must be the latest AVAV online here. This plain text AVAV is AVAX, the plain text of the leader on this public chain. Then buy the leading coin AVAV. I think it will have another wave next. increase. That AVAV just went online. BG, I think at this time, don't rush to buy. After online exchange, waves of smashing and washing occur, so I believe you all require patience. What specific location I'll tweet. So welcome all to Pay Heed. What about the past 2 days? I suggest on Twitter, TI Media and tokens like ZKF. The increase is very astonishing. Remember to stay tuned. Tokens like TIA, the growth is incredible. If you haven't joined, welcome to quickly follow us. Friends who ship goods, I don't think you need to be discouraged. Like ZKF, this token will still have a big increase next. The ZKF website has a pledge amount of 20 already reached. Pledge its token to get transaction fees for attacking the chain. So this is why it can be fast, gather regular people to recharge. The reason for its TVL, its market value compared to OPOB. 100B market val, only 1B. Your turn next round. Possible to have 10x more than increase. Still exceeds EXP. So when it falls, you can still choose to buy some ZKF. Now start buying on dips. I think it is also a good choice. And the token Metea, I also believe it is a good project. Its increase is also particularly astonishing. Started at approx $50, already turned over 136% of positions, fell short. It's also amazing. Then this token, I think you are buying on dips, still can consider buying it. I will post a refusal point in my community. Welcome to join. That's Tyosha. It is a modular blockchain, is a unicorn. So I will feel that its next round L2 block. If it rises sharply, it'll get fiercer. So basic settings, all can also pay attention and observe. It still hasn't broken below its trend line. So I think it's a good time to buy on dips. In the future, everyone can consider buying it. EG, 15 USD EG, 12 even lower position. And finally, these two Solana. This is the foreshadowing bot at the beginning. Why do I say Solana? This supply chain is very strong recently. Because I opened the Dex Greener website. You can see the homepage. I don't know what the ranking is. It's all about Solana. This is enough to prove how popular is it in the recent altcoin market. Is this ranking in order? So after you open it, you see Solana all over the screen. Just know that it sucks blood seriously, the market for altcoins on Ethereum. Lately, the focus is on Solana. Understanding fake coin trading is irrelevant. Let's examine Solana's market. Solana has recently been in a consolidation phase with a pullback. Let's switch to the daily chart and take a look. On that day, the Solana at the daily level dropped from a high of 125 hours, fell to around $95 recently. The pin below has been inserted near $85. So where is the needle inserted? You can consider reducing the leakage position. I believe Solana is a supply chain, strong future presence, opportunity when facing decline. You may as well purchase Solana. That is all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Also welcome to follow my Twitter. That is all for today's video. Goodbye.